Welcome to the video lecture. In this video, we are going to see about the next Python fundamental concept, list and tuples. A list is a mutable collection of items in a specific order, that is changeable collection of items. You can change the items present in the list. The syntax for a list can be represented as here. So we are creating a list fruits using a square bracket and the items are mentioned here. So if you are printing want to print the items present in the list, we have to use the index value. So this is the index value. So the index value starts from 0, 0, 1, 2. So if I am printing fruits of 0 means then the output will be apple. Fruits of 1 means the output will be banana. So for this fruits of 2 means the output will be cherry. So if I want to append an item, that is I want to add an item to the list, I have to use this append function. So fruits.append of mango will add the value to the list items. So the output of this will print the items added, the list items present previously and the items are newly added to the list. It will print all the items present in the list currently. You can add, remove or update item elements in a list. Next one is tuple. Tuple is similar to a list but it is immutable, that is unchangeable once defined. The syntax for tuple can be defined using a round bracket instead of square bracket. In list we are using a round bracket here for describing a tuple, for defining a tuple, and this index value is same as that of list. So if I am going to print a value item present in a tuple means then I have to mention its index value to get the proper output. So not like list, you cannot modify, append or remove elements from a tuple after creation. So there are many differences between list and tuples. So let us see those one by one. First one is list is mutable, that is you can change, add or remove elements after creation, but tuple is immutable. Once defined you cannot change, add or remove elements. Second one, for list we are using square brackets and for tuple we are using round brackets, and this is a syntax for creating a list and this is a syntax for creating a tuple. And the next one is we can use list when you need to modify the collection later, but for tuple you can use tuple when the data should remain constant or to ensure integrity. So in general tuple is slightly faster than list due to its immutability and fixed size. So based on the concept of list and tuple, we are going to create a small mini project for grocery list manager. So let us start doing the project. Let's build a simple grocery list app where you can add item, remove item and display all item. So I'm going to create a list for that. So grocery list, one, true. I'm going to get the option. So print of options. So add, remove, we are going to add item, remove item or show the item or exit the list. So these are the options to be added, and action to be made is input of what would you like to do. Yes. So if action is equal to add, then it will get the input item. So input of, enter the item to add. So after getting the item should be added to the grocery list. So grocery list dot append of item. So next one, I'm going to print F item added. Yes. So if elif action is equal to remove, so it should get the item to remove from the list. So input, enter the item to remove. So once we get the item, I have to check whether the item is in the grocery list or not. So if item in grocery list, then grocery list dot remove of item and print item removed. Or else, if the item is not in the list, then it should print item not found. So next one, if the action is show, if the action is show, then it should print here grocery list for I in grocery list it should print the value of I. So next, if action is exit then break. So if all the option is not there, then it should print invalid option. Yes. Now I'm going to run the program. Grocery list is equal to, grocery list equal to, I'm creating an empty list. So it should come here. So once executing the program, it will ask you the options. So I'm going to add. So it will ask what the item to add. I'm going to add rice. So rice is added here. So now I'm again going to add. So now I'm going to add mango. So mango added. I'm again adding a item. So tomato. So the items are added in the list. Now I want to see my grocery list. So I'm giving the option of show. So the grocery list is getting displayed here. Now I want to remove. So I'm going to remove an item. So it will ask you the item to remove. So if I'm giving any other item, for example vegetable I'm giving, so it will tell you the item not found. So again I'm going to remove. Now I want to remove tomato. So tomato removed. Now I'm going to show the grocery list. So here tomato is not there. So it is performing good. Now I'm going to exit my grocery list. So it finally comes out of the program. So that's all about today's program mini project. So we have successfully created a grocery list manager successfully. Thank you for watching the video. We'll see you in the next video with the next fundamental concept in Python. Thank you.